Welcome to Geodesign Games. Before we play the games, we'd like to sort of get you mentally prepared to think about how you can make each design move. So each design move involves a proposed intervention and also a suitable location or multiple suitable locations for that intervention you would like to propose. And one way to think about your intervention and suitable location is to use the SWOT analysis. So SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So for this particular case, we can think about strength as the favorable condition of a particular site that makes intervention suitable. And the weakness will be an existing problem at the site that can potentially be addressed by a particular intervention you would like to propose. Opportunity will be possible future benefits that could come out of implementing a particular intervention. And then the threat is about a challenge that is not there yet, but could be there in the future and can be transformed or addressed by the particular intervention you're proposing. So to simplify the process, we have 4 fundamental maps for everyone to use. And those maps sort of set the criteria for evaluating interventions and locations. And they're based on the 4 scenarios of instantaneous catastrophic events. So the first one is based on the existing flood risk in different areas coming out of FEMA's historic data on historic flooding events. So the brown spots are where we have higher flood risk than the yellow spots. And then the second map that is fundamental is the locations of oil and gas facilities. So those facilities can potentially be prone to explosions when they're inundated. So you can see how when they overlap with where we have higher flood risk, that increases the risk of these flood-induced explosions even more. The third fundamental map is something that's not there yet, so it's considered a threat. So the last 2 are considered site weaknesses, but this one is considered a threat because it's not there yet. But we're talking about the potential sea level rise that could happen very quickly if we were to have extreme solar storms that could input so much solar radiation to melt all the ice on Earth at once. So that's going to increase the sea level by about 216 feet. So the blue area represents the inundation zone as an outcome of that. The last fundamental map is also a threat because it's not there yet, but it could happen anytime. In fact, the magnetic field of the Earth has been weakening at an alarming rate. It suggests that the polar reversal is overdue. And if it does happen, there will be tidal wave flooding that can impact a large part of the eastern United States. And you can see it's indicated by the purple zone right here. In fact, we're now looking at a composite map that is a result of all 4 layers mixed together. And we do have a bunch of GIS geographic information system shapefiles embedded within the Geodesign Hub interface, which we will be using to input our intervention types and locations. So I will be talking about strength and opportunity in the next video. So I hope this helps you think about the major factors we need to be considering when we're proposing intervention types and locations. See you in the next video.